Hi, so my metaphor website is called the Education Prism. What I do and the actions or tools I take to improve myself as a teacher is one element of my journey. Understanding what principles I base these actions on, along with the doctrine or foundation of these beliefs, help me to deepen my commitment to myself and my students. That was my takeaway from this semester. And my metaphor includes prism. Um, I think that this is really something that speaks to me. I think that the classroom is very symbolic of the glass and the elements that create the beautiful rainbow effect from light passing through this glass. It's transparent. The classroom should be a place that is clear with purpose and intention to learn. The light is also part of the process of learning and growing with guidelines that direct our behavior. I would like to see myself as a teacher who shines my light and invites my students to do the same so we can really appreciate our own potential and also contribution to the world. Transparency is something that I think of in gospel terms. Um, I think of the facets of the and the triangular shape of a prism to represent the Godhead, and as individual as they are one in purpose. And I think that that aligns with in the classroom, teacher and students work together to create an environment for growth. So it's based on truths, like I said before, clear expectations and intentions to help build and support. I also included some of my personal takeaways from the course. Light. I think that this is a really wonderful element of learning. I think that Plato really explains the process of seeing not just the shadows of our life, but being exposed to light. And the process might bring discomfort, but we can really open our eyes to our potential and the limitless possibilities. I also included Maxine Greene, who I just absolutely loved that week when we discussed being wide awake and the power of yet. I loved when she said, "I am what I am not yet." That really helps me to identify the importance of having a growth mindset and the direction and guidelines for my behavior and expanding my knowledge and the direction that I need to take in order to be in line with my foundation. So color. Oh, I'm very colorful. The diversity, just to me in the classroom, is very symbolic of many things. But I think teachers who promote diversity really help children to build empathy and to be critical thinkers in the world. I think that part of Heavenly Father's plan is to help us to be more like Him, but also to develop skills and talents and responsibilities to share with the world. I also included some of Thomas Jefferson's views that were really in line with that, and also that the gospel helps us to understand that we are all alike unto God, and that, celebrating diversity in the classroom invites children to reflect that into the world. And I think that that is the overall message that is important. Although we focus a lot on what we want students to go out and do, it's really important to identify, the principles and the foundation of the doctrine behind what we do. This has been a wonderful opportunity to really reflect on what I've learned this semester, and I've learned so much from all of you. And I thank you for just really expanding my thoughts and my own really philosophies and feelings about education and helping me to be better.